Hey everyone, Daryl here at DH Garden Center. So I got another order brought in today. As you can see, got a couple of they're like a 7-inch pot of these mixed pansies. So again, pansies are good for unpart shade. They keep flowering until even July. These are some nice. This is very similar to most lavender. It gets long strings, plus you got the nice leaf on the top there, more kind of ruffled leaf, still very fragrant. We got a lot of the vegetables coming in now too. So we got some Dynapacks of the Bistro blend of the leaf lettuce. So again, these guys are great for just picking off the older leaves and letting the plant continue to grow. Other than like your romaine and your butterhead lettuces, where you just kind of let it grow into like a head of lettuce. I mean, you can still pick the outer leaves like on your romaine and your butterheads, but generally kind of let them grow into a full head of lettuce. But yeah, we got lots of the leaf lettuce here. There, these are all in containers. Cilantro, nice full pots of cilantro. I got some garlic as well. Garlic's just starting to come out. This is the Russian red garlic. 3 cloves in a pot. Good root system going on. Nice green tops on it. Good time to get them out and plant it right now. Garlic's good for full sun. Usually these ones you'll harvest around mid to late July. Cilantro, again, they don't like the heat of the day, so morning, afternoon sun compared to the hot time of the day. Your romaine lettuce does like a bit more full sun, as well as the kale. 2 clumps there, or 2 bulbs there in a pot. Full hot sun for tulips as well. And these guys should be fully open within the next, say a week or 2, depending on how warm the weather is. We got some blueberries that just came in, a blue crop and an Elliott, and then the Forsythia, which you probably see all throughout Vancouver right now. Forsythia likes full sun, same as the blueberries. Unless you cut the Forsythia back fairly hard every couple of years, they can get a little bit out of control. So good hard pruning on these will help to keep them in check, but also you gotta remember they do flower on 2nd, 3rd year growth, so don't cut them back too hard or else you'll get lots of new shoots and very few flower buds. All right, there you go, another order. Good plants just coming in every week again. Come check us out, open daily. See you again next time. Hit the like button and see you in the next video.